My name is Margie Curran. I'm an actress, and this is why I create. So I create through storytelling. I try to portray human emotions and what a person is feeling and their life story through the character. If you're playing a character that's stronger, like if you're playing this tough woman, then after working on that character, I find in my everyday life feeling more tough as a person, which is really cool because every character you play, you have a little bit of them in you. When you can play another character believably that has good qualities, then you notice oh, actually I could be a better person if I really wanted to be because I just played a better person, so maybe I should just play a better person in real life. I love it. I love acting. I love learning about myself and learning about other people. It forces you to let go of insecurities and let go of fear. I think fear cripples creativity. And so I think every time you do a scene, you have to shut it down, shut down fear and just stand in the light and be seen. And that's really scary. I think I'm very afraid. I get very scared, before scenes, and it's every time I do a scene, it's a self-challenge, because I'm aware that I'm feeling afraid, but you can't let that stop your creativity. I think the opposite of fear is hope, and so instead of worrying about all the things that could go wrong when you show your art, focus on all the things that could go right and all the people that you could touch, and it might not speak to everybody, but it might speak to some people, and it can impact them in a very profound way. Everyone has something to say that hasn't been said before. And I think they just need the courage to say it, even if they're wrong. And then, you're going to be wrong in your art and you're going to fail. And I think it's important to just keep creating and keep going. My name is Margie Curran, and this is why I create.